Good evening to one and all. I'm Akhila, representing Jaro Education. I'm going to introduce my company to you all. So, first of all, I would like to begin with the history of Jaro Education. It was established by Mr. Sanjay Saluke in the year 2009, and I'm very happy to inform you that more than 20,000 students have enrolled with us, and it's an ISO certified top online education provider in India. And Jaro Education provides some of the most innovative online MBA and distance MBA programs, collaborating with foreign and Indian universities. Jaro Education is committed to produce outstanding managers, leaders and entrepreneurs with an enhanced horizon of knowledge, analytical ability, team building experiences and critical interpersonal skills that are necessary to face the challenges of this corporate world. Now I will take you to a few awards that our Jaro Education have won. Most innovative and successful online MBA program in India from Mr. Shashi Tharoor. India's best international MBA program by Bombay Management Association. Fastest growing MBA program in Asia Pacific country at Singapore. Fastest growing MBA program by World Education Congress in 2012. The prestigious E-India Award for the Best ICT, which stands for Information Computing Technology. Enable Higher Education Institute. Building Intellectual Capital of India through MBA and PhD education, which was by World Education Congress. The two major courses offered by us, there are many, but I would just prefer to say about only two. This is USU, which gives us international MBA for 1 year. Bharatiya University, which is all known for us, it provides 2 years of online MBA course. USU, which is a foreign university, it is ranked among the top 25 universities in Russia. It was founded by the Ministry of Education and Science of Russian Federation in the year 1988. It is the largest higher education institute in the Volga region. Like 30 countries, 16,000 students have enrolled from 30 countries like Europe, Asia, Africa and North America and South America. Now moving on to Bharatiya University, it is aggregated by NAAC with an A grade, UGC, AITC, DEC approved. It was established by the government of Tamil Nadu in the year 1982, and India's number 2 non-professional course is offered university, which was surveyed by the Times of India. Best state-run university in India surveyed by Sunday India. India's best universities surveyed by India Today. These are the specializations that we provide to students, like human resource, information technology, advertising and media management, pharmaceuticals, marketing, general management, hospitality and tourism, power management, finance, banking, healthcare and hospital management, operations, insurance, leadership and entrepreneurship, retail management, supply chain management and project management. I hope that these 17 specializations are huge for a student. You can explore yourself more. So from a student's perspective, why Jaro Education? It offers us international MBA, its flexibility in learning, that you can be at home, you can stay at home, you can be anywhere, you can learn. Global understanding, it reaches to the level, you can explore all over the countries and you can work even overseas. Placement assistance, you are sure to get 100% placement. Specializations offered, that is, I showed you various types of specialization which will make you to improve yourself. Affordable fees and flexible installment. Now I'm coming to the view. Why a person should choose a career in Jaro Education. Jaro Education is a fast growing company in terms of title and in terms of remuneration. It is It has a turnover of 45 crores. Company's growth is 15%. 12 offices span India with operations in Singapore. We have 500 plus employees, and in span of 4 years, 15,000 plus enrollment of working professionals. And you can see students who have completed MBA in our Jaro Educations are working with many of the corporates like Dell, HCL, HP, etc. You can see that we are a growing organization and we need vibrant, dynamic and active individuals who aim high and religiously towards greater achievements. Yeah, the special qualities which we look for each and every candidate who comes to our organization is good communication skill, should be target oriented, should be excellent in listening, should have a good interpersonal skill, should be hardworking, should be self-motivated, should have strong time management skills. Yeah, coming to the point, we are here for an opening in the marketing department. The designation is for marketing executive. The location is Chennai and we have 5 vacancies. The remuneration will be up to 2.5 lakhs per annum, and the job description goes like this. Marketing people need to be like, should know what is happening in the market, and they should collaborate with the sales people in order to bring profit to the company. And so the knowledge of all various mediums that can be used in marketing campaign, participate in the development of marketing plan in collaboration with the sales department. Development and implementation of communication strategies. Should have a very good communication skill, should have a very good convincing skill. All these are qualities of marketing people. Conducting market research and drawing out the specification in respect to new product or services. Responsible for branding and promotional activities. I would say that each individual should act as a person who can brand for something. Whatever we are marketing, we should brand ourselves for that kind of thing. Planning and organizing the corporate events. Pleasant personality with excellent communication. Street smart and ready to do attitude. You should be ready to do whatever you are given. So hope that you will all be interested to join our company. Thank you.